What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video, man. We're gonna be doing an unboxing video, and nothing crazy, you know, not a crazy video or anything like that. But I did get a new piece of gear that I did want to share with you guys. Obviously, you can tell by the title. I'm gonna save you guys the suspense. So, as you can tell by the title, I went ahead and I caught myself the new Hero 8 Black. Reason being is because I'm going on vacation soon, and I want to do vlogs while I'm there, but I didn't want to bring this big ass DSLR camera, so I decided to go ahead, splurge on a GoPro and get the newest GoPro because there's a lot of cool things about this one. I'm actually thinking about starting to vlog on this instead of vlogging with a DSLR camera because GoPro, I guess they're focusing more on vloggers. They're coming out with a lot of gear and equipment that is, I guess, oriented towards people that vlog and making it more capable for people to vlog with a GoPro. The benefits of doing it with a GoPro is it's cheaper than a DSLR camera. It's cheaper than some point and shoots. You get decent quality for what you're paying for. You know, you got 4K at 60 frames, I believe. You know, it can go underwater. It's water resistant. There's a lot of different attachments, different things that are coming out. They have a really cool flip up screen that I'm thinking about getting in the future, but those are some of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and buy the new Hero Black. Also, it has the hyper smooth, so if you want to get some cinematics, something like that, no matter where you are, even handheld, I was sold as soon as I saw some of the footage and some of the stuff people were creating with it. So I went ahead and I copped it. So let's open the box and let's see what comes in here. And I don't really care about the box, so I'm just gonna rip it like an ape. It looks like it has a little box. It's attached to the top. It comes with a clip attachment, it looks like. And I guess, how do I get this out of here? Oh, okay, I guess I lift up on that. And I squeeze. Oh, that's cool. Wait, which way does it go? This way, okay. Boom, there it is. From what I've seen online, it's a little bit bulkier than the old GoPros, and it also, a new thing about it is now it has this little like wing things that pop up from the bottom, and you can thread this through it and mount it to wherever you have to mount it. All right, you can mount it like that, you know, whatever, nothing crazy. Like I said, I've never owned a GoPro, so I don't know what that difference is. I don't know what that does to anybody that owns a GoPro. One of the complaints that I did see is that on this GoPro, as opposed to the old GoPros, there's this screen right here, the glass protector that protects the camera lens itself, is not removable. So if you scratch it, if you crack it, you're pretty much done for. So they do sell like screen protectors, which I will buy once I get back from vacation. But in the meantime, we're just gonna rock it like this. But that is one of the biggest complaints that I've seen, and might turn people away. Because before, if you scratch this, you could just buy a replacement, which is $20, unscrew it, and screw the new one in, but you can't do that anymore. So some people were pretty disappointed about that. To me, didn't make a big difference. Like I said, I'm gonna buy a case, I'm gonna buy a screen protector for it, and all that good jazz. Alright guys, so let's open up this box, see what else it comes with. You know, you got your GoPro Plus unlimited cloud storage, which is pretty cool. Try for free at GoPro. You can, I guess this is like a try for free. Instructions, I guess, on how to power it, how to, you know, connect it, how to turn it on, all that good stuff. GoPro stickers. I'm not gonna really use these, whatever. The manual, which nobody ever really needs. Here's the battery. This is what it looks like. Little thing. Nothing crazy. 3M stickable end that you can mount. I guess we'll put this in the car, so whenever we're doing vlogs, we'll just mount it to the car from this. Charger and cable, type C, I think it's called. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything that comes with your GoPro when you buy it. The GoPro itself, you got one clip with a 3M side, the charger, and one battery. I went ahead, I bought myself a chesty. I'm gonna mount this to my chest and have the GoPro mounted to it, so we can get some, like, I guess, first person view of it. I don't want to be wearing it on my head. So the chesty is pretty cool. You get a different perspective, and it's a wide angle, obviously, because it's a GoPro. So you get to see a lot of what we're gonna be doing. So I'm really excited. Obviously, as you can tell, I'm kind of hyped. And I also got myself a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. I'm gonna close it out here. Like I said, super quick video. Just wanted to share with you guys what's going on the channel. Obviously, I have a lot of plans now. You know, I know I've been slacking, and I say this a lot, but it is what it is. Life is life, you know. Obviously, stuff happens, but I want to start creating content. I have no excuse to not be making videos. I consider myself to be pretty good at it. I guess I'm comfortable vlogging in front of a camera, so I don't know why I don't do it more often, but I guess we'll be doing that more often now. And I hope you guys consider subscribing. If you have any questions about this stuff, leave them in the comment section. I'll do my research and I'll answer them to the best of my abilities. Obviously, I'm no crazy type person that knows about GoPros and cameras, all that bullcrap. But I am, you know, somebody that makes videos and somebody that can help you out if you have any questions, and somebody that's willing to do the research for you. So why not leave a comment? If you stayed this far in the video, hit that like button. Share, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. I know you hear it all the time from these other YouTubers, so do whatever you want to do, man. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, savage responsibly, no matter what you're doing. I'll catch you in the next video, which will probably be me on vacation. Peace out. Ooh, so satisfying.